My name is David Keneally. I'm the director of the R&D Center for Advanced Manufacturing and Energy Efficiency at the Southern Virginia Higher Education Center. Virginia is experiencing kind of a rebirth, if you will, of advanced manufacturing because of some new industry in the area. The workforce that is going to be very necessary and critical to that industry being able to be competitive and profitable needs to relook at the way their skill set is developed. R&D CAMI, the acronym for the R&D Center for Advanced Manufacturing and Energy Efficiency, has taken it upon ourselves to rethink the acquisition of those skills. And what we are working on is called i2e2. That is an acronym for Intense Immersion in an Experiential Education. What is behind that name is our involvement in developing a live cellular manufacturing activity where we have developed a product internal to R&D CAMI that utilizes the diversity of advanced manufacturing technology that we have in our lab. This technology includes multi-axis machining, it includes water jet technology, milling technology, lathe technology, router technology. The programming that drives these machines is done through computer-aided drafting. So we have also added that as a learning component within this immersion. Trainers and trainees in this environment start to understand the complexities of the environment. Complexities that span from design to engineering to programming to fixturing to machine operation, quality control, and all other individual parts of a cellular manufacturing environment. We have dissected each one of those steps, and we have developed training modules that would allow a student to truly understand how all of those steps are integrated to one another in the comprehensive process of manufacturing. This product is being made in very much the same way that a product would be made in the private sector. Our advantage is that we can stop that activity at any particular time. It's sometimes a sports analogy where you might have a scrimmage in a sports game. The coach or coaches of that team can actually stop at a moment's time. They can gather the team together to talk about what they're doing well, what they're not doing well. They can go through the fundamentals to make a better result, and then they can start the scrimmage again. That's what we're doing with i2e2. As this product goes through its cycle of production, we have broken down design, engineering, programming, fixturing, machine operating, quality control, measurement, many of the areas that industry advisors are saying are most important to them in terms of the skills that individuals entering into the profession would need to have. On March 16th, we were very privileged that representatives from Virginia Manufacturers Association, representatives from CCAM, and from Rolls-Royce visited with us and took a tour of the live activity i2e2. Our purpose for inviting them to this is that we wanted their critique. We wanted validation of if whether or not what we were evolving was, in their view, what manufacturing needed.
Advanced manufacturing is very important to us. What you guys are doing here, what you guys are learning here is very important. So recognize all your efforts, and thank you for the tour and your time this morning. But I think just overall I wanted to convey to you that this is the kind of thing we'd like to see. So please keep it up.
R&D CAMI has taken the initiative to bring the concept of i2e2 to implementation. We would like to have the opportunity to really flesh this out, to make it effective on multiple levels, and to actually expand and to scale it throughout the region. We would like to be able to look back and feel proud that we did help to start to close the skill gap, to promote economic growth and attract manufacturing into Virginia.